Okay, wait. Before we start, can we just talk about how chaotic life has become lately?
Lately, babe, your life has been chaotic since day one.
Excuse me, at least I am not emotionally unavailable like you.
Wow, we started and we are already fighting. Great energy.
Hi guys, welcome back to the English Academy. Or if you are new here, welcome to the chaos.
I am Kiara, the older, wiser, more mature sister.
Debatable, very debatable.
And this is Anya, my younger sister, professional overthinker, part time drama queen.
Wow, okay. And she is the CEO of giving lectures nobody asked for.
At least my life is sorted.
Sorted? You cried over a text last week.
Moving on.
So, guys, today's video is not scripted, not filtered, and definitely not perfect.
It's just two sisters sitting down and having a real conversation about life.
We are talking about college expectations versus reality,
Friendships, the real ones, the fake ones, and the confusing ones.
family pressure, comparisons, and that constant feeling of, am I doing enough?
Also, relationships, situationships, and heartbreaks we pretend we are over.
And basically, everything that goes on in our mind at 2 a.m.
Because, let's be honest, everyone shows the highlight reel.
But nobody talks about the behind the scenes struggles.
So, this video is that safe space where we just talk
No judgment, no filters, just honesty.
and maybe a little bit of sibling roasting.
A lot of roasting.
So, if you have ever felt confused, lost, pressured, or just tired of pretending you have it all together,
Trust me, you are going to relate to this.
and if you have a sibling,
You already know this conversation is going to feel very real.
so sit back, relax,
Grab your chai, your snacks,
or just your headphones and your thoughts.
and let get into it.
Oh, and wait
Yes, don't forget
to like, share, and subscribe to
subscribe
the
to the
English
English
Academy.
Academy. Now, okay, let's actually start.
Yeah, before she says something even more embarrassing.
Too late. Bro, when I joined college now, I thought my life would become like those Netflix shows.
Same. I thought I would walk in slow motion, wind blowing, people noticing me.
And what happened?
Reality. Sweating in overcrowded classrooms and fighting for attendance.
Exactly. And I like, why are professors so scary? One of mine literally said, this is not school anymore.
That's their favorite line.
And friends? Bro, I thought I would find soulmates.
You do find people, but it takes time to know who is real.
Okay, but tell me honestly, have you ever had fake friends in college?
Not fake, but people who only stay till it's convenient.
That's worse.
Yeah, yeah, like group assignments. That's where real faces show up.
Oh, oh my god, yes! One person does everything, others just exist.
And still get equal marks. Life is unfair
Also, gossip culture. Why is everyone so invested in others' lives?
because they don't want to fix their own.
Okay, serious topic. Family pressure?
The silent stress.
Like study hard, get a good job, don't waste time. It never ends.
They mean well, but sometimes they don't understand our mental load.
Exactly. And comparison. Sharma ji ki beti.
Stop. That line is trauma
Do you ever feel like you are not doing enough?
all the time. But then I remind myself everyone's timeline is different.
Okay, let's spill tea. Relationships.
Here we go.
Have you ever liked someone in college?
Define liked.
Don't act smart.
Fine, yes, but it didn't work out.
Why?
Wrong timing, different priorities.
That hurts more than rejection.
Exactly. Not every connection is meant to last.
I think Gen Z falls in love fast and gets hurt faster.
Because we feel deeply but trust easily.
Do you ever feel lost?
Almost every week.
Same, like what I'm even doing with my life.
But that confusion, it's part of growth.
I hate growth then.
No, you don't. You just hate the uncomfortable phase.
Hmm, true.
College isn't just about studies, it's about discovering who you are.
You know, I don't say this often, but I'm glad I have you.
Oh, what do you want?
Nothing, just saying
Same here. Even when we fight, you are still my safe place.
we fight like enemies, but protect each other like warriors.
That sisterhood.
So, yeah, guys, this was our real unfiltered college life talk.
If you related to even one part of this conversation, you are not alone.
Drop a comment and tell us what's your biggest struggle right now.
And if you want more such honest conversations,
Okay, that was a lot.
yeah, I didn't think we would actually say all of that out loud.
Same, but honestly, it felt good. Like, real good.
And if you are still watching till this point, we genuinely want to say thank you
Seriously, guys, it means a lot that you stayed with us through this whole conversation.
because this wasn't just content, it was personal.
And if even one thing we said made you feel understood,
Then this video did its job.
also, we really want this channel, the English Academy, to be more than just learning.
We want it to be a space where you can relate, grow, and feel heard.
So don't just watch and leave.
Talk to us.
Yeah, go to the comments right now and tell us
What are you struggling with these days?
in college stress, friends drama, family pressure,
Or just feeling lost in life?
whatever it is, drop it in the comments.
And if you have any topic you want us to talk about,
Anything like relationships, career confusion, self doubt, or even English speaking problems.
just suggest it. We will definitely read and try to make videos on it.
Because this channel is not just ours.
It's yours too.
And yeah, quick
Quick reminder,
reminder,
if you like this video, don't forget to hit the that like button, share
share
it
it with your friends and your
your siblings
siblings,
or that one friend who really needs to hear this.
and most importantly,
Subscribe
subscribe
to
to
the
the
English
English
Academy,
Academy. We are trying to build something meaningful here.
and your support genuinely keeps us motivating
Also, notification bell on कर लो.
because you don't want to miss what's coming next,
Trust me, it's going to get even more real.
and maybe a little more chaotic.
Okay, not maybe, definitely chaotic.
Before we go,
Take care of yourself, okay?
don't be too hard on yourself.
You are fighting things out, and that's enough.
We will see you in the next video. Bye bye,
Bye bye,
guys.
guys.